Hi everyone, welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be doing a 16 by 20 Dutch pour using 8 colors. I'll go over the colors in just a minute. I have my Artist Loft White already down. And if you could do me a favor and please subscribe, there's a button down here. Go ahead and push that and that'll help support me. Also the notification bell, when I upload a video you'll be notified. And take a look at my other videos I have. I have a lot of videos on Dutch pours, on injection pours, on the web effect, on the Shelley art technique, blooms, swipes, how to varnish your paintings, how to get resin off the back of coasters, all kinds of different tutorials for you. So anyway, let's get started with this one. I already have my white Artist Loft down already. I already popped bubbles. So let's get started. So I think I'm going to put the gold. So this is Artist Loft Gold, and I mixed it with the Deco Art 24 karat. Put that down. I love my metallics. Okay, and the next one is Payne's Gray, Creative Inspirations. And the next one is Chrome Acrylic Essentials, Purple. The next one I mixed the Phthalo Green, Liquitex Basics, with the Artist Loft Turquoise. I got this. The next one was PBO, what is it? Blue Iridescent, 357, really pretty. Sparkles, shimmers, sparkles. Go back, I like that one. Okay, then my Phthalo Blue, Creative Inspirations. And the paints are all mixed with Floetrol and water only. Yeah, probably 70 Floetrol to 30 water, and then to the consistency depending on my paints. Now this one I just got, I've never used it. It's called Extreme Glitter Hologram by Folk Art. So it's this, and it's just all kinds of sparkly. So I mixed it with Floetrol and water also. Let's put that up here. And that seems a little thick. Thickened up. It's probably okay. Just a little bit more water. So this will be the first time I'm using this. And if it looks anything like it does, I know you probably can't see that, but it's, see the twinkle? Pretty cool. Alright. Might as well use all of it. Why not? Okay, then I have Basics Deep Violet, and I have that mixed with Dioxazine Violet with Creative Inspirations. So I mix those two together. That's this one. A lot of paint here, but hey, it's a big canvas, so we'll see. Alright, 8 colors. Let's see what happens here. I'm going to go ahead and pour the same base white that I have down. I'm going to pour around. Very thin. The paints are very thin. Consistency. They're not, it doesn't form a mound. Sinks in pretty quick. Make sure I have enough down here. Okay. I think we're good. I'm going to go ahead and use my hair dryer. It has an end on it. Flat. And Wow. All I have to say is, wow. This is so shimmery. It is absolutely beautiful. Tons of cells. I'm going to stop right there. I think. You know what? I think I want to get this off right here. Oh wow, that is so, sorry. That is so pretty. All right, let's see if some gold will come up. I always like putting my metallics at the bottom because sometimes they do sell up pretty good. Wow. And I'm not going to blow it out anywhere. It's pretty. I know you probably can't see this. Maybe you can. Let me try to. Let's see if you can see the sparkle. Tons of cells. Wow. Okay. Sorry, I got a little excited there. Because, yeah, your regular metallic paints they don't shimmer like this at all. So this is just super cool. And I'm going to leave it. It's hard for me to leave a Dutch pour. I usually mess with it and then I mess it up, but I think this one is going to stay just like that. And yeah, I'll bring you down closer. Okay, here it is. I waited about 10 minutes. I wanted to see if that gold would come through, and it did start coming through. So I don't know if you can see the shimmer. Try to move it around. Yeah, you could see it. Yeah, the picture doesn't know justice. It's just shimmering. At some point, I'll probably get this out in the sun after it dries, but anyway, here's close up. Lots of cells. Those. Anyway, 16 by 20. I'm going to be opening an Etsy shop soon. But in the meantime, if there's any art that you see in my videos you'd like to purchase, just email me. Look in the description below. Have a great night. Cheers. Okay, here it is out in the sun. Very sparkly. It did dry a little different. It's more of a green glitter look, but it's still pretty.